able to raise $37,000 with one setups. Okay, the only and she traced the market range. See, one thing I when I studied her, her interview, and it was more of consistency. But let me go to my my trading view. Let me show you some setups that I can recommend for traders. But this setup is more of a trend setup, right? So um so let's view this. So you can look at the total when you want to go into a market. Actually, you understand different aspects of this market. Okay, what is the condition of the market, and where can you buy or sell. Now you can, if you're looking at this market, you see it has formed a lot of high highs. All right, so you can say this is a high high. You can point this, you can point this. Okay, let me use something so you can point this one here, you can point this one here. All right, and the thing is that anything can happen because generally the market is moving down. All right, if you go for a higher time frame, it's moving down. So here is more of like consolidation. So as a me, I'm a liquidity sweep trader. I follow the market wherever it goes. All right, so when the market is currently trending, I follow it. All right, when is I'm not trending, I watch out for a breakout and a retest. So now, um, looking at this place, my strategy, I've seen this. I've seen this. So this is a sign of this is the institutional blueprint. All right, this long candles without any this thing. So it's a institutional blueprint. So price is likely to do two things. It's likely to come back to this point, or even come back to the other block. All right, the other block here. All right. So for those that trade other block, they can just place their buy limit. All right. And you know one thing in all these things, risk reward is very important, and also your what you're risking, because it's not all not all strategies are holy grail. So you can see this one should have a very good risk reward if this trade should play out the way you want. All right. Now, personally, I don't like trading that way. So I love filtering all my trades. All right, I don't just enter all trades. So what I will be doing is I'll be expecting price. I'll be expecting price to come to this point. Okay, let me use my um, marker. So I'll be expecting price to come as low as this point. See, it's not a must that the price will do this. All right, maybe if price does not do it, to look for another setup that price will do that. That's why sometimes these things are rare. This is a secret setup that I'm giving out, and a lot of people might take it for granted, but this is what works out for me. Now, with this setup, you can maybe see a perfect trade of like 5 to 6 trades in a month. Now, once this market it sweeps down here, all right, then it ranges up, all right. So at this point, market works with liquidity. So most times the market will try to hunt your setups or your stop loss, right? So if you're able to wait for to see how market reacts, then you go to the lower time frame and check for a break of structure. Then you go into your trade. So if you rush into the trade, you always lose your money. So that is just the thing.